abrupt sounds, disturbing images.
Yeah, honey. Hi guys, we're back again. And yes, Randy joined me again.
Hello, audience.
We're back with another reaction video. Halloween Horror Nights, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Legacy of Leatherface. At Universal Studios, Universal Hollywood. Let's get started. That's ought to be good because I was always afraid to watch Leatherface in the original movies.
Didn't you read the sign, lady? It said keep out.
Let's see how many jump scares.
Whoa!
We have lots of lights on in here for the camera, so we'll see what happens.
Whoa!
Here we go. There you go!
There's my chainsaw guy!
Yeah, Leatherface!
I'll take 1 chicken and 2 sides of beef. And maybe some pork.
Funny. Oh my gosh! Okay, there he is again.
Axeman! I'd like 2 slithers, please.
Funny.
They said it was a meat shop. Ah, there's the pigs.
Yeah.
I'd like a side of bacon.
Alright.
3 sausages.
Honey.
3 snorkels.
As in the last video, we'll post the link in the description below.
Yay!
After the video.
Well, that's what I
When I go to post it.
Cutting the prices.
Funny. He's crazy, don't mind him.
Yeah, that better cool it.
I half expected somebody to jump through that dang window there. I don't know why. Oh gosh.
Lace and Kelly lace and pretty face. Baby, that's
Alright. Let's just stick with reacting to this, okay?
Okay. I haven't seen anything to react to.
I know. Same here.
It's down this deep hallway.
Just don't try to scare me, okay? Don't try to scare me, okay?
Has anybody got a flashlight? There's some more of that pork chops.
Hi, buddy.
Side of beef.
Weirdo. Gross!
The bones.
Oh my gosh! Oh jeez!
Hey, chainsaw guy. Are you chopping up the prices again?
Hey, Leatherface.
Hey, don't cut down the audience. That's not very nice.
She's whimpering.
Oh, they could be customers.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh no. Oh no. Hello.
Oh my gosh! I haven't jumped yet, which is crazy.
That's the fun I'd do at the chainsaws.
Mm-hmm.
I'd be the chainsaw guy. I love doing that. I miss a chainsaw.
Oh jeez! She's still whimpering.
Oh, please get away from me.
Ooh, spooky. Listen to that poor little piggy.
Where's my wiggly pig?
Can't you hear him squealing? I'm just glad nobody's made me jump yet.
Ah! Man, that darn chainsaw guy.
Out of there without being jump scared, yeah!
What's the matter, girl?
That was so gross.
Yeah, that guy did jump out. I didn't expect that guy at the end. Popping out with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think we're gonna add the Chucky one onto this video.
Return to the park.
Yeah, I really liked that one. I don't know, like I feel like I have seen some years.
Do I remember where I parked my car?
Like I said, I think we're gonna add the Chucky one onto this video. Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, I'm gonna add on this Late Night with Chucky Halloween Horror Nights onto this video here, so you'll get twice the amount of spook. So, you sticking around?
I think so.
Alright, here we go.
Don't have any place to go.
Alright, here we go. This is still Divergent Dreams video, so
Walking
we're gonna
down
continue.
To the down.
She's walking down to the stage.
Walking down to my bone. I don't know, I don't care. Look out, world. I just dropped my underwear.
Honey. Late Night with Chucky. Here we go.
That Rocky Fucky. Oops.
Honey! What's the mouth?
Oops. Sorry about that part.
He slipped, and I have no way to quack him out.
Sorry about that. Trying to make up something with Chucky.
So glad I marked this. That was not a preferential for kids.
I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that.
So you're covered, but let's try to watch the F word. The F bomb.
Just trying to make fun of Chucky.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Ugly doll.
F you.
How much would you, Chucky, chuck, chuck, chuck? If a chuck could, a chuck could, a chuck could.
Alright. Let's stick to reacting to this guy.
Hey, you dwarf flying log. Ugly doll.
F you. Don't, then you die.
No! I'm too young to die.
Oh, excuse me. Alright, Chucky, who you killing now? Okay. Let's react to this Durflame log. Okay, Chucky, where are you, you ugly pug? Chucky, let's see what you got. Little child wannabe. Okay, okay.
So in light of the recent changes, what we're going to do, we're just going to pivot. We're going to switch things over, and we're going to have a really special show. We're going to do a little audience participation. Oh, that's right.
Chucky, what are you doing, you door flame? Ugly doll? Getting married, what'd you do a silly thing like that for? You know she owns everything. Good. Women last longer.
Alright, Chucky, where are you? Boo! Boo! Chucky's an Annabelle wannabe! He wishes he were half the doll that Annabelle is.
Stop.
All crew, we are live in 10 seconds. Live to air in 10 seconds.
Let's have a great show. Let's all try to stay alive tonight. All right, here we go.
1, 2,
3.
2.
Live studio audience at Halloween Horror Nights. Welcome to Late Night with Chucky.
An ugly doll.
How are we doing tonight?
Lousy!
You do better than that. This room has air conditioning. How's everyone doing tonight?
Lousy!
Lousy, it's
Moron.
hot in here.
Welcome to Late Night with Chucky. But you're all here for one reason. He is about countless series.
Chucky.
He always manages to come back.
He's a walking weenie!
Science terror out to prove that size doesn't matter. Everyone, please put your hands
He
together.
likes to ride the bucket. The deer.
He's a walking weenie.
Ugly dog.
Ew.
Man, an elevator. A door flame log.
Right as he came on the screen, I love it. Screw you!
Chucky, you ugly doll.
F you. I didn't say it outright, guys, so relax.
You make my tree look prettier.
Oh, honey! Ouch. You look good on my fireplace.
Yeah.
Keep in mind I said in, not on.
It is getting pretty cold in here. I could use some door flame logs.
Ouch.
Hey!
So first question, you know, I'm going to switch up the wording a little bit. Kiss, marry, kill. The nun and that's a thing in You know, I apologize. You are correct. You are very correct. And you know what? I like the next question. It is, I love them short kings. What is your height?
29 inches.
29 inches. Okay. Next.
Oh, height! You said height. Also 29 inches.
I doubt that, Chucky. I doubt very much that your wiener is that size.
I doubt that.
He's 29 inches for his wiener.
The doctor always has to reach for the tweezers.
Oh, Heidi! Ow, Randy! Oh my gosh!
Gonna flame lock you. You should be ashamed of yourself, son of ours.
Wow.
I didn't even get you the paper for something.
Soda. I'm gonna get us canceled.
You know, because of this, she'll say one question. What's your favorite ride of Universal?
Secret Life of Pets.
Ooh.
Need a chaperone to go on.
Well, if you need one, 29 inches of a chaperone.
What?
I never liked Chucky.
Chucky, do you play your kids or do you improv when you get there?
Well, I always leave room for some spontaneous homicidal creativity to flow through. But for the most part, I'm a planner.
Oh, really?
I have a talent, Joe. The second I lock eyes with someone,
It's
I
such an
immediately know
awful
the best
thing to make
death
such a
for
good
them.
looking doll. Good guy doll. Scared you.
Dramatic for the
But Chrissy says he's too cute to be scary.
Yeah.
The audience here.
The original doll.
Put me to the test, Jordan. Call out any one of these dummies. I already got their demise on lock.
okay, let's, I'm gonna go here because you're filming it, so that'd be great. Go here. What's your name? We got Yasmin.
Yasmin. Yasmin is a classic. Good old-fashioned toaster in the bathtub. That's right, Yasmin. You're an easy mark, but I love you, boo-boo.
You seem so uninterested. I got it. What's your name? We got Malik here.
Malik. See, Malik thinks like it seems like he talks too much. So it would be homicidal poetry to shove my arm so far down his throat he chokes on his own tongue. And I bet you would like that, wouldn't you? You would like
Now I'd love to see you in
you, me, and her.
a fireplace, probably preferentially the one at the camp.
Yeah. He'd make a great candle. Like matches.
Showing off the guns. All right. John, you're a toss-up. I'm torn between stabbing you with an umbrella and then opening that umbrella, disemboweling your insides, or dropping a chandelier on you, squishing you like a cockroach as the electric current goes through your veins. You know what? Let's put it up to the audience. Umbrella or chandelier?
Who's for umbrella? And then who's for chandelier?
Chandelier it is, John. Stay out of any fancy ballrooms.
Question is, what drives you to commit your crimes?
Uber.
Whatever, ugly. Whatever. Wiener.
Actually, it is, what is your favorite weapon?
A knife. A true classic never comes out of style. But you know what? I don't think these morons want to hear me talk about it. You want to see it, don't you?
Somebody's got to be tied. We gotta water the bisons. They have to drink.
Oh yeah, that's true.
They get thirsty. You gotta ride a bison to get hot water.
You know what happened?
Hit the Buffalo out of here. We could work this out.
Oh, Chucky, eat me.
Make a Chucky thing.
Hey, Chucky, watch the mouth.
Chucky.
You're lucky this isn't. You're lucky this isn't a video made for kids. Oh, Chucky, not again. You killed somebody else.
We're gonna throw you
Gross.
in a door flame lock.
Gross.
Oh, Chucky.
He just had to kill somebody again.
You gotta be careful when you take a producing gig.
Yeah, really.
Take the Chuck, throw him in the truck.
I love that.
You're not listening to the lion and fall.
Okay, we're back. The video from earlier is already available to view, so if you want to see it, go right ahead. We're about to end this one, but I wanted to post the end right here, so please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. I want to thank Randy for hanging with me tonight
Yeah.
for the
Well,
video.
it's nice to see you again, folks, and you take care of yourself out there.
And I will be back at some point with another video, but I wanted to do a double video tonight. Film 2, that is. And be sure to hit that bell icon to become part of the notification squad, and we will see you in the next video.
In a slow year, as you take care of yourself and be patient. Young high schoolers, don't worry, college isn't going anywhere.
Yeah.
They'll keep the doors open for
Alright.
you.
Alright. More videos on the way, guys, so see you next time. Bye!
Take it easy, have fun.